If you want to set a song as a ringtone on your Android phone, first of all, let's open up your settings. Now in your settings, you have to scroll down and find your sound and vibration tab. Alright, after that, we're gonna find and tap our ringtone tab. So this is basically a page where you have to search through the available ringtones on your phone. So as you see, there are quite many of them. However, if you want to add your custom song, you have to download it to your device first. So find a suitable song saved on your phone or download a new one. To download free music, we can use a Pixabay website. So now let's close our settings and let's open up our Google or basically anything which you're using, right? And now let's search for Pixabay. All right, open it up. So here you have a list of free, copyright free, of course, music, videos. So first you have to verify that you're human. All right, now here at the top, let's choose a music tab and let's search for any kind of music. For example, let's search something like this. All right, so here you can play, or you can press play to preview the track, or simply press the download icon to download it to your phone. So as you see, file was downloaded. Now let's go back to our settings. Open up your settings, open up your sound and vibration tab once again, find your ringtone. Here you gotta press plus at the top right corner. And here is your songs which are detected in your phone, right? So choose the song you want to get. Now, once again, at the top right corner, press done. And as you see, it's chosen already. And now your phone will ring with your custom song. If you want to use a specific part of the song as a ringtone, there are many online tools for trimming. For instance, online audio cutter allows you to select the right segment of song and save it as a separate file. Just visit the website, upload your song, and choose the part you want to use as a ringtone. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.